morning children. How are you? Yes, you are all fine. I know that. Very good. You are doing very well. Very well. Yes, already we have completed 2 lessons now. But you are answering also very well in the Zoom class. And you have to do more. You have to do more. Yes, one more thing we wanted to say. Take a notes. Take a notebook. I said already. Take a notebook. Write down all the points, everything. Why? Because means we are going to conduct the test. We are going to conduct the test. We are going to allot the marks also. For all this, you have to follow a notebook. In the notebook, you have to write everything. Whatever you had listened, you have followed. Okay, children. Not only that, now when we are giving the worksheets, in the worksheet, we are giving all the objective, question answers, everything. All you have to write in that. Yes, so for that also we are going to give the marks. Yes, children. Now, what is our second lesson? What is our second lesson? Our second lesson is globe, a model of the earth. Very good. Yes, what is it? Globe, a model of the earth. A model of the earth. Yes, children. Yes, in this lesson, yes, we have completed so many topics. Globe, yes, and shape of the earth, and we have completed ocean and continents, axis, and we have completed latitudes and longitudes also. But when we are coming about the earth, not only the earth, when you have seen the globe, what you have seen on the globe also, you have seen that 70% of the globe is water and rest of the 30% is is land. 30% is land. So on this land we are staying. On this land we are living. On this land we are living. But when you see the land, how it will be, ma'am? It will be even, correct? Everything will be in the plane, No, it will not be. How it will be? It will be uneven. How it will be? It will be uneven. When you see, I think you have visited so many places. Yes, hilly places you have visited or not? Yes, many hilly places you have visited. Yes, our land is not at all in a proper way. Yes, somewhere you will find the hills, somewhere valleys will be there. Yes, some little heights will be there, and somewhere agriculture land you see how it will be. It will be very plain also. It will be very plain also. Yes, all this about the surface of the earth we are learning. That is called as landforms. What we are learning? Our third lesson and most important lesson we are learning is about the landforms. What is our third lesson? It is about landforms. Yes, children. Part A. It is about landforms. Yes, the third lesson. Part A. It is about landforms. Landforms. Okay, children. It is about landforms. Yes, already we said that land. The land is having high hills, plateaus and plains. High hills, plateaus and plains. Yes, children. So all this together, it is called as relief of a land, relief of a region. All these things are called. On the land, we will have mountains. We will have mountains. Plateaus and plains. All these things together are called as what? Relief of a region. What they are called? Relief of a region. So about each one we are going to learn. Yes, about each one we are going to learn very little. As you are in the sixth one, very little we are going to learn. But when you go to the higher classes, very briefly you are going to learn. Yes, ma'am. So landforms we are going to learn. Yes, landforms are also called as relief of a region. Relief of a region. What they are called as? It is called as relief. It is called as relief of a region. Relief of a region. Okay, now. Yes. How many landforms are there? How many landforms are there? If you see here, we got 3 landforms. Otherwise, we can do like this also. Yes, children, landforms. You can do it like this also. Mountains, plateaus, Spellings also you have to learn now. Spellings are very, very important. Plains. Okay, like this also you can learn. Now, first we are going to learn about the mountains. First, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the mountains. Yes, children. Mountains are what? High hills. Mountains are what? High hills. Mountains are high hills. You can see here. You can see the picture. These are the mountains. High hills. High hills are called as mountains. Mountains, high hills, ranges and have very, very high and have steep slopes. Yes, the mountains are what? High hills, very high hills with steep slopes. With steep slopes. They are called as mountains. They are called as mountains. You can see, Norma. This is the mountains. This is the mountains. Now you see here in India we got very important mountains. In India we got many important mountains are there. Yes, as I said mountains, you will say the name. I know that. Yes, Himalayan mountains. You will say that. I know that. Everyone knows about the Himalayan mountains. Yes, in India. Yes, one work also you have to do. You have to take the India map now. You have to take the India map. You have to take this India map. There's an outline map. There's a political map of India you have to take. And some names I am writing. The important mountains names I am writing. That you have to locate in them. What are those? The mountains. What are the mountains we have in India? In India, important mountains. In India, important mountains we have Himalayas. Yes, ma'am. Himalayas. Everyone knows, I think so, where the Himalayas are there. Aravallis. And next we had Vindhyas. And next Satpura mountains. Yes, ma'am. In the next class I have to see everyone locating all these mountains in the India map. Okay, children. Now you see in our Telangana. This is in India map. Now in our Telangana, our state Telangana also, we had many mountains. Yes, sir. In our state Telangana also, we had many mountains. What are those? In which districts of Telangana we had the mountains? In Adilabad, Karimnagar, Rangareddy, Mahbubnagar and Khammam districts, we have so many mountains, stretches of mountains. They are scattered here and there, like pockets of mountains. They are scattered here and there. Yes, where they are present. Now here clearly he has given here. Now if you see here, yes, you can see here Satmala Hills, Rocky Hills, yes sir, and here Anantagiri Hills, Devarkonda Hills, like that they are there. You can see, children, yes, Satmala Hills, Rocky Hills, Anantagiri Hills, Devarkonda Hills, yes sir, Kandikal Hills, like that all these are present. All the hills are present, yes sir, in our Telangana state also. But now you see here in which district, which hills are present, we are going to know it. And what you have to do, you have to take one Telangana map. You have to take one Telangana political map and you have to locate them. Already they have located. Seeing this also, you can locate these hills on this Telangana map. Okay, ma'am. Yes, now you see where they are present. I am writing in Adilabad district. In Adilabad district, what mountains we had? You can see here. Satmala Hills. This is Adilabad district. We had Satmala Hills. What are the hills we are having? Satmala Hills. Satmala Hills. What we are having? Satmala Hills. Otherwise it is called as Satmala Range also. Then we had in Mahbubnagar. In Mahbubnagar, we had had Balaghat Hills. Balaghat Hills. Otherwise Balaghat Range. Range also nothing but hills only. Range also nothing but hills only. Then if you see Anantagiri Hills in Rangareddy. In Rangareddy we had Anantagiri Hills. What we had? Anantagiri Hills. Anantagiri Hills in Rangareddy. Yes. And we had Kandikal Hills in Karimnagar and Warangal. In Karimnagar and Warangal. In Karimnagar and Warangal. In Karimnagar and Warangal. In Karimnagar and Warangal we had Kandikal Hills. What hills we had? Kandikal Hills. Kandikal Hills. Yes, ma'am, you can see here. You can see it here. Okay, na? Yes, Kandikal Hills, Anantagiri Hills, Devarkonda Hills, Satmala Hills, Rocky Hills. And we had Rocky Hills in Karimnagar district. And we had Karimnagar district. In Karimnagar district, one more hills also is there. That is, in Karimnagar, we had Rocky Hills. We had Rocky Hills. Yes, children, this is about the mountain ranges. Not only that, one more mountains also we have. Yes, if you see here, this is a southern India, southern part of India. If you see here we had mountains. That is Western Ghats, and this side we had Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. These are also hills only. These are also hills only. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. After the western coast and after the eastern coast, we have Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Yes, children, this is about the mountains. Next thing we are learning about the plateaus. Next we are learning about what? Plateaus. Children, all these things you have to locate them in the India map and Telangana map. Then we are learning about the plateaus. We are learning about what? Plateaus. Everyone plateau spelling. Plateaus. Plateaus. Yes, sir? Get through. Yes, in India we had very great plateau region. India is having a very great plateau region that is called as Deccan Plateau. Actually, what is a plateau? You can see here. This is the plateau. What is a plateau? Plateau is a region, you see, are also highlands, but they have more flatlands with some hills in between them. Yes, plateaus are also highlands. Okay, ma'am. And have more flatlands. Between them, what will be there? Between them, hills also will be present. Sorry, children. Between them, hills also are there. Okay, ma'am. Between hills also are there. You can see here. You can see the picture of the plateau. Yes, this is the plateau region. Yes, ma'am. Flat land between some hills like that, it will be there. Okay then. Now in India, yes, we had very great plateau region that is called as Deccan Plateau region. What it is called as? Deccan Plateau. What it is called as? Deccan Plateau. And our Telangana state also located in this Deccan Plateau only. Our Telangana state also located in Deccan Plateau only. If you see, no ma, our Telangana mainly of plateau region only. Our Telangana is mainly of plateau region only. Because of that, it is called as, what it is called as? Telangana Plateau region. It is called as Telangana Plateau region. It is called as Telangana Plateau region. Our state, it is called as Telangana Plateau region. Why? Because our state is mostly located in the plateau region only. Okay then. Now you see here. These are all yellow color. Deccan Plateau. All this yellow color is what? Deccan Plateau. You can see here. Here only our Telangana is located. So where is our Telangana? It is in Deccan Plateau region only. Because of that, it is called as Telangana Plateau region also. Okay, children, understood? Yes, go through the lesson. Yes, today we learn about the mountains and plateaus. In the next class, we will continue with the plains and one more topic is the delta. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.